Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Voltaic V25 USB battery pack. Super excited about this USB battery pack versus others because it actually has an always-on mode. So always-on mode is great for projects with that you want to power with sensors that are USB powered. So got to get one of these. Other battery packs will shut themselves off over time. So always-on mode. I think that's what a lot of people are getting these for. Let's see, nice red cable I see right away. Some instructions, we'll look at that later. Bust this out. Nothing else. All right, let's check out the instructions real quick. All right. Cool. So that's the instructions. Again, comes with a USB-A to USB-C on this end for charging it. Or that's for output, actually not sure. Let's check it out. Wow. Really cool battery pack. Pretty sleek. Has USB-C over here, two USB-As over here for output. I think this is for input for charging, and the USB-As, the dual USB-As are for outputting. And yeah, that looks right. USB-C is for input. Output, USB-A, regular USB. Cool. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. And let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this battery pack. All right, catch you all in the next unboxing video, guys. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.